just almost 4 feet wide, and the backhoe bucket is 7.5 feet wide, so it's twice as wide as the hopper. So I built this deck so that when I dump it, all the material doesn't fall on the ground, I have to throw it back up. So now I can climb up the deck and shovel it in. Another good thing about the hopper too, I think it was designed for conveyor belt. So you put it in down there and you slowly feed a narrow conveyor rather than a backhoe bucket, but we don't have a conveyor belt. So you dump a whole bucket in anyway, all at once, it overwhelms the scrubber, and it has too much weight, believe it or not, it won't roll all that material. If you did roll this scrubber, it overwhelms that scrubber. Like right now, it overwhelms it. I've got to go. I've got to stop this. And this scrubber, it just happened while I was talking. But this one just got overwhelmed, and I need to go get it rolling again. Stop that so it quit feeding. It gets so much weight in there, so much goes in that it can't turn on its own. But it kind of rolls down that chute, kind of like a cement truck delivers cement in a chute. Comes down this chute. So I stopped this so it quit feeding. The only thing coming down is water because we've got water going in at the top. But, now it can kind of wash everything out and catch up. I think this is going to be all right now. So I can go turn the big scrubber on now, the big trommel. And then I can go up top. I'll be up there shoveling in. That's about 8 feet tall. I need to let that run for just a minute before I feed any more in or I'll overwhelm everything. But let me just show you how this scrubber works. So it's got a 220 motor right there, and it spins this, it spins the wheel. So this shaft turns and turns these wheels, and this barrel just rolls on there. We actually, when we put it together, just set it on there. And to keep it from sliding down, it's got this in the middle. See, it catches every now and then just to keep the scrubber trommel from sliding down. But it's basically just rolling on those wheels. And this shaft is just turned by that motor. Okay. Now I can go up on the platform and shovel in more material because it can handle it now. So it's heavy one screw. I've got an 1.25 inch pipe feeding this hopper and another 1.25 inch pipe. It's smaller. and it's got two pumps pumping water from the pond. This is so easy. All I have to do is just squeeze it in. It's so much better than blowing it from down there. Blowing it above my head, you know, it's too high. Got a railing here for safety. So much easier than it was. So I'm glad I done it. It's so long. 4 foot by 8 foot, has a 2 by 6 side rail on it, just roll it off. And I just built a ladder into it. And also great for stability. Not hard at all. It's like shoveling sand. When you shovel on driveway, it's just really good. Right off and in there. It's tight. Pumping the water. The water. And then sandy, lamproite. Take a big cover. The big stuff goes out the end. The smaller stuff goes in there. Sorted in size and shape. Automatic system. Let me take you up top and kind of show you what that looks like. Not that you couldn't imagine without going up there, but if you're afraid of heights, then close your eyes. We're already 4 feet high right now. Then we go another 8. See, we've got a pond over there that is our wash water. And we've got 2 pumps that pump water. One pump is feeding this and it splits into 2 spigots. And then the other pump feeds that lower unit down here. The advantage point from being up here, I can keep an eye on that part of the plant, this part of the plant, and feed it at the same time.